The distribution what we will be discussing today is known as normal distribution, also referred as Gaussian distribution. So another name for the normal distribution is Gaussian distribution. Earlier to this, you must have gone through or learnt about the binomial distribution and the Poisson distribution. As we have categorized the random variables into two, one of them is a discrete random variable, another one is a continuous random variable, right? So earlier two cases discussed about or of the probability distributions, namely binomial or Bernoulli distribution and Poisson distribution, are falling under the category of discrete random variable. The second category of the random variable, which is continuous, the very first distribution, the probability distribution which comes under or which is applicable for the continuous random variable type is normal distribution. So if a random variable x has the density function given by f of x is equal to 1 upon sigma into under root of 2 pi e to the power minus of x minus mu whole square upon 2 sigma square minus infinity less than x less than infinity. This is how the density function for random variable x is defined, given by small f of x, where mu and sigma have their usual meaning. What does mu represent? Mu represents the mean or the average. What does sigma represent? Sigma represents the standard deviation respectively. So where mu and sigma are the mean and standard deviation respectively, then capital X is said to be normally distributed, and probability distribution f of x is called normal distribution. We know small f of x always denote the probability density function and capital F of x denotes the distribution function, right? So whenever small f of x is fulfilling the criteria given by the density function, f of x is equal to 1 upon sigma into under root of 2 pi e to the power minus of x minus mu whole square upon 2 sigma square. And we know that this x is lying between the interval minus infinity to infinity. What is mu and sigma? They have their usual meaning, correspondingly mean and standard deviation. Then such kind of continuous random variable x is said to be normally distributed, and this probability function f of x will be called as normal distribution. If I find out the integration of this, the distribution function capital F of x will be given by capital F of x as probability x less than equal to x, which is 1 upon sigma into under root of 2 pi. We know that it always restricts to the variable x. So integration is done from minus infinity to x, and function x is written in the form of u. So it is e to the power minus of u minus mu square upon 2 sigma square du. We have discussed this kind of definition. It is minus infinity to x f of u du. So how you write down f of u du? Whatever is your function f of x, x is replaced by u. So this is u minus mu whole square upon 2 sigma square. X is replaced by u in this particular expression, and we write down this integration. Only the condition or restriction is integration should be bounded between the limit minus infinity to x. Our answer should be obtained for the distribution function in the form of x. This is the initial definition or the very initial formula we have learned with regard to the distribution function capital F of x. So graphical representation, or if I try to plot the graph between x and the probability density function where random variable x is normally distributed, you can find out the value where it lies or it is concentrated towards the mean. So x versus f of x, this is particularly the mean or the average, and the graph will be drawn for the random variable x which is normally distributed in such a way. So this particular curve is called a normal curve. If it is equally distributed towards origin or from origin, if it is equally distributed from the origin, then we call that particular curve as a standard normal curve. So this is z versus f of z, and we try to find out the value. This is particularly the standard normal curve. The normal curve, that is graph of probability density function f of x, is called bell shape, and it is symmetrical about the line x is equal to mu and x axis. This particular line is x is equal to mu, which is intersecting or cutting x axis. So this particular curve is symmetrical or equally distributed from the mean or about mean. Therefore we call that as symmetrical, and it is which shape? The shape is of bell shape. So the normal curve or the graph of probability density function f of x is bell shaped and symmetrical about the mean line x is equal to mu and x axis, which is nothing but an asymptotic curve. The mean, mode, and median of the distribution coincide. Whenever it is symmetrical about the mean, we say that the mean, median, and mode of the distribution are equal. That means they coincide. Now you must be wondering that here this is x versus f of x. What is this variable z coming into the picture? This z is called as standardized nor random variable. If z is a standardized variable corresponding to x, which is conversion of x into the z domain, so z will be written as x minus mu upon sigma. What is x? X is the random variable. What is mu? Mu is mean. What is sigma? Sigma is nothing but the standard deviation. So in that case, z will be called as standardized random variable for the x. So corresponding conversion of x into the form of z will be z is equal to x minus mu upon sigma. X will be the random variable at which the probability function is to be evaluated. See, ultimately in the probability distribution also, I am interested in calculating the values by the respective formula or the definition, right? Here, note that mean of z is 0 and standard deviation is 1. So mean for the random variable, rather standardized random variable given by z is 0 and standard deviation is 1. The density function of standardized random variable z is given by f of z is equal to 1 upon under root of 2 pi e to the power minus z square by 2. This is the standard density function for standardized random variable z, which is denoted by f of z. F of x is the joint density function or the density function for random variable x. Here there is no sigma. It is 1 upon under root 2 pi. So here it is 1 upon under root 2 pi e to the power minus z square by 2. Why? Because x minus mu whole square upon sigma square. This becomes z, right? So that is represented by z. So it becomes minus z square by 2, and corresponding distribution function capital F of z for the probability z less than equal to z is 1 upon under root of 2 pi integral minus infinity to z, this integration f of v dv. As u is already used, the notation u is already used for defining the distribution function for z. I have used the notation integral minus infinity to x. In place of that, it will be minus infinity to z f of v dv. So v will be in place of z. So it is e to the power minus v square by 2 dv, and which is half plus, it can be, see, minus infinity to z will be splitted to minus infinity to 0 and 0 to z. So minus infinity to 0, that particular probability is symmetrical, so I take it as half. Half plus 1 upon under root of 2 pi integral 0 to z e to the power minus v square by 2 dv. See, probability is always distributed equally if it is symmetrical. In the standard normal curve, this is a standard normal curve, it is equally distributed amongst or about origin. Half portion exactly lies on the left of 0, half portion exactly lies on the right of 0. If you see, the two extreme points are minus infinity to infinity. So minus infinity to 0, the probability is exactly half distributed, so its value will be half. And from 0 to z, which is lying in between 0 to infinity. Therefore, this distribution function, which is minus infinity to z, is written as minus infinity to 0. This particular probability is from minus infinity to 0, and then it is integrated between 0 to z. So what is the probability between minus infinity to 0, which lies exactly on the left of the origin, and which is exactly the half portion covering by the curve or covered by the curve? That is half, equally distributed. Therefore, probability will be exactly taken as half. So what it is equal to? This particular distribution function for the standardized random variable z is half plus 1 upon under root of 2 pi integral 0 to z e to the power minus v square by 2 dv. The graph of standard normal curve is also bell shaped, but it is symmetrical about the line z is equal to 0. It is symmetrical about the line z is equal to 0. This is symmetrical about the line x is equal to mu and x axis, which is a normal curve. This is called as standard normal curve, which is representing the standardized random variable. So this is what we need to learn about the normal distribution or the Gaussian distribution. You must have observed that this f of x is nothing but the density function where x is normally distributed. But every time it will be very difficult for me to go through that integration part of the exponential term and get the answer. So for our convenience, they have made a table or the chart which is readily available for finding out the values for the normal distribution curve. So though normal distribution curve or the normal distribution is defined by certain quantities related to the exponential term and integration, but we will not be integrating it actually, because that particular part is already done and a table is generated. Only looking at the values which we have obtained, we will be looking the values in the table or the chart and writing down the probability, right? Also note that or mind well that probability will always come out less than equal to 1. So in all the cases wherever the random variable x is normally distributed, we will be looking at the chart and finding out the values. The chart enables us, or it is very easy for us to get the values from the chart. I will show you the chart as well, that how it is generated and how we can easily find out the values from that. So nowhere we have to do the integration. We have to only look at the values for the given table. From the given table, we will be noting down the answers. What is the relation between the binomial and normal distribution? If number of trials in binomial distribution is large and probability of success and failure is not too close to 0, then it can be approximated to normal distribution. So compared to the number of trials in the binomial distribution, if they are very large and probability of success and failure is not close to 0, then such kind of distribution can be directly approximated to normal distribution. What is mean given by? Mu is equal to np and sigma is given by under root of np cube. Thus, the standardized random variable is then asymptotically normal. For better approximation, we must take np and nq both together greater than 5. Now, what are the properties of normal distribution? I think these are the properties related to the Poisson or the binomial distribution. Now they are approximated. Binomial distribution के properties or values है mu as well as sigma, right? If the random variable x is normally distributed, then what is mean given by mu? What is variance given by sigma square? Mu is this np, sigma is this and sigma is under root of npq. So sigma square will be under root of npq. The standard deviation is sigma because it is approximated from the binomial distribution. The moment generating function mx of t is given by e to the power mu t plus sigma square t square by 2. Characteristic function, we know that T should be replaced by IW. So whatever is the moment generating function, we will be replacing T by IW. So characteristic function is phi of W, e to the power I mu W minus sigma square omega square by 2. I square is minus 1. Therefore, this is minus over here. Coefficient of skewness alpha 3 is 0. Coefficient of kurtosis is alpha 4, which is equal to 3. Now, what are the areas of application in which usually we find the normal distribution? It is very important continuous probability distribution in the field of statistics. It describes the phenomena that occur in nature like rainfall and meteorological studies. In industry, for error calculations of experiments, statistical quality control, everywhere we have to plot the graph which is showing the bell-shaped curve, and that is nothing but the normal distribution. The radar applications and in research, many of the times we try to find out the application of the normal distribution or the normal curve. In general, normal distribution word is not used, normal curve.